the other day we had shooting and I had to do an emotional and dramatic scene. And I remember getting really stressed and overwhelmed with myself at first because before that scene, I was already feeling very exhausted, but it was a lot of it was for personal reasons. I didn't get a lot of sleep because I couldn't, and I wasn't feeling so good that morning. But when it came to the dramatic scene, I'm usually the type of person who I can cry very easily and I feel a lot. I'm an emotional person, but I felt so numb when it came to being on the cameras because I was just overwhelmed and I was tired and I couldn't think straight. But I'm very thankful because Direk and Atija and like everyone, everyone was really supportive and patient with me with getting my mind straight and my emotions, you know, in character. And even Gab, he helped me a lot with that, and was very supportive with me as well. So I'm very grateful, and I was able to do it naman. So I'm proud of myself and everyone else.
You did pretty good actually, by the way. Yung sa scene na sinabi niya.
No.
I just wanna put it in. No, kagabi nung kasi yun, and it was a very emotional scene, and it was her first time rin, and I was really, really proud of her. Nagawa niya. And thank you rin kay Direk, of course, and kay Ate Jaja. But yung pinaka-challenging siguro, yung last scene namin, grabe yun. Kasi, yun nga, ayoko mag-share, pero umabot na rin kami sobrang umaga nun, and pagod na lahat. Pero thankful na kahit inuumaga kami, sobrang alaga kami sa Brod and kila Direk, and met yung iced coffee, of course, nandun lagi. So, yun yung pinaka-challenging para sa akin, kaya abangan niyo po yung last scene namin doon. Courtesy of Jerome Ponce, yung gagawin niyo doon.
Last scene yung